A. Alpha. I have a diver down. Keep clear at slow speed. B. Bravo. I am taking in, discharging, or carrying a dangerous cargo. C. Charlie. Yes or affirmative. D. Delta. Keep clear of me. I am maneuvering with difficulties. E. Echo. I am altering my course to starboard. F. Foxtrot. I am disabled. Communicate with me. G. Golf. I require a pilot. H. Hotel. I have a pilot on board. I. India. I am altering my course to port. J. Juliet. My vessel is on fire and carrying dangerous cargo. Keep clear. K. Kilo. I wish to communicate with you. L. Lima. You should stop your vessel immediately. M. Mike. My vessel is stopped and making no way. N. November. No or negative. O. Oscar. Man overboard. P. Papa. All personnel return to ship as we are about to proceed to sea. Q. Quebec. Ship meets health regulation. Request clearance to port. R. Romeo. Preparing to replenish at sea. S. Shera. Moving astern. T. Tango. Keep clear. Engage trolling. U. Uniform. You are running into danger. V. Victor. I require assistance. W. Whiskey. I require medical assistance. X. X-ray. Stop your intention and listen to my signal. Y. Yankee. I am dragging my anchor. Z. Zulu. I require a tug.